Hello guys, I'm back once again. So today is a new day. I have another video to share with you. So wait and here you go. What's it? Alright guys, we're presenting today the homemade squid adobo. What's this? And you will learn how to do it yourself and do it at home too. So enjoy watching. Here's the ingredients for squid adobo. You have the sliced shallot, sliced tomato, onion leaves, maybe 5 pieces of garlic, 6 teaspoons of vinegar, and black pepper, salt to taste. So we're gonna wait a little bit before we have to start cooking on this. That's all the ingredients that we have to put. Heat up that frying pan first before you put the oil in it. It looks like it's not really hot yet. Make it sure the pan is a little bit hot. First thing you're gonna put is garlic, and you keep on turning until it becomes brown. You guys know the garlic has a little bit burned already. You need to have a little bit of patience or else garlic will get burned. Looks like it's getting darker already. Looks like it's brownish already. So next one is tomato. We're using a cherry tomato. Smells good. Okay, just keep on turning so that all the ingredients there will not get burned.
And which one?
Alright, just put the squid already on all the ingredients, and you just keep on mixing. Put a little bit of salt, not too much. Just try to calculate. That will suit to your taste. Just continue mixing here. And also watching. Very simple, fast and easy. you can see it look like the black ink coming out already from the squid. Yummy again. And the next ingredient will be putting a little bit of black pepper. Not much. A little bit, just a sprinkle of black pepper. Addition of the vinegar to eliminate the smell, the strong smell of the squid. You have to wait a little bit and it's done. Perfectly made. This is what they call adobo squid or squid adobo. You wanna try, guys? Let me see. This tastes so good. Wait for 3 minutes and everything will be done. In the finale, putting the green onion and your squid adobo. Wait probably 2 minutes and everything is done. Ready to eat. Muy saboroso. Especial el cocinero. So the way I look at it, it's already cooked. And by the way, guys, just a reminder, don't overcook the squid. Because if you overcook it, it's gonna be like very rubbery. And the flesh, it's very hard to bite. Okay, just only a reminder, don't overcook the squid if you're making squid adobo. This is ready for eating now. So I hope you guys learn something here the way we cook. Squid adobo, Filipino style. Alright my friends, so the video is almost come to an end. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Again, everyone have a wonderful day.